Okay. Now the dance will start the right foot. You step right to the side. You do a behind diagonal forward, a 1/8 right turn to your 130. Behind diagonal forward. So 8 way ends on the left foot. Right leg you will recover back and run back to set. Recover right, run back left, right. And you're going to do a diamond quarter right turn. Alright, to your 430, diamond, quarter, right turn, 430. Diamond, another quarter right turn to 730. Diamond, quarter right turn, 730. Left foot, you do a coaster step. Right leg forward, point left behind, and deep down slightly if you want to. Back, sweep, step back left and sweep right. And do a quarter right sailor, you'll be facing 10:30. Square off to 12 o'clock, you do a side touch. Let's do the first two sections of dance. Side, behind, diagonal, forward rock, recover back, diamond quarter right, left leg, coaster, step right foot, forward point, back sweep, right leg sailor quarter right, square off 12 o'clock, side touch. So let's do the counting for this first part. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and. Let's do one more time, the first 2 8. 1, 2 and 3, recover back, 4 and diamond quarter, 6 and diamond quarter, 8 and coaster, 2 and 3 forward point, 4 and 5 sailor, 6 and 7, 8 and. Now move on to the section 3. You do a side rock, quarter turn left, side rock, quarter turn left. And 9 o'clock walk, you do a full turn forward on right, left, full left turn. Continue to run a half left curve on the right, left, right. You make a half left curve. So now you face a 9 straight block wall. Arabesque. Alright, lift left leg and raise right hand. So arabesque, half left turn, step left and sweep right. Step right and sweep left. You do a weave, cross, side, behind with a rock. So now you're facing to your this 9 block wall. Recover, side, behind. Quarter left, step left, facing 6 o'clock. Step right forward, pivot, half left turn, weight on left leg. Continue to spin a half left turn, alright, and point your right together. That ends up the entire dance. Let's move on to the second part. Side up, quarter, full turn, run half turn, run, arabesque, half left, 4 sweep, cross side, behind rock, recover side, behind, quarter, step half, spin half. Let's do the counting for this section. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 arabesque, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and start again. Right, so let's go through the last two sections before we form the full dance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and start again. So let's try the first wall full dance. 1, 2 and 3, recover, 4 and 5 diamond, 6 and 7 diamond, 8 and coaster, 2 and 3 4 point, 4 and sailor quarter, 6 and side touch, 8 and side rock, 1 2 turn, 3, 4, right after, 5 and 6 arabesque, 7, 8, 1, 2 and recover, 4 and 5 quarter, 6 after, 7, 8 and start again, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 diamond, 8 and coaster, 2 and 3 4 point, 4 and quarter sailor, 6 and side touch, 8 and side up quarter, 1, 2 full turn, 3, 4 right half turn, 5 and 6 arabesque, 7 half turn, 8, 1 weave, 2 and recover, 4 and 5 quarter, 6, 7, 8 and start again the lines. Let's do the back one more time. 1, 2 and 3 recover, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and coaster, 2 and 3 4 point, 4 and quarter sailor, 6 and square off, side up, 1, 2, 3 4 run, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and start. Now there's 2 tank and 1 restart the whole dance at the ending. The tank is very simple, 4 count, you step back to the side and you swing. So right, left, right, left. So swing, right, left, right, left. So that is 4 count. 1, 2, 3, 4. End of wall 2, facing 12 o'clock. And immediately end of wall 3, 6 o'clock, you attack. So 4 count attack, 4 count attack. And on wall 2, and then wall 3. Wall 4, now wall 5, you have a 16 count restart. So wall 5, starting on front wall, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and restart dance from the front wall. That's the instrumental section actually. Right, so 16 count, restart from front wall. Wall 6, wall 7, finale. Alright, so 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7. You will start 4 on 8 and you square off 12 o'clock 1 and you end off the dance at the front wall. Hope you enjoy. Let's do it with the music.